jump, ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, go. 5 little frogs putting on a show. One by one they leap away, but they'll be back another day. 4 little frogs in the morning sun. One hopped off to have some fun. Boing, boing, through the grass, disappeared like a flash so fast. Jump, jump, ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, go. 4 little frogs putting on a show. One by one they leap away, but they'll be back another day. Where do they go when they leave the pond? To a secret spot or a world beyond? Do they sing, do they dance, do they nap in the breeze? Maybe they're climbing the tallest of trees. Jump, jump, ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, go. Little frogs always steal the show. One by one